So today we're going to be making the Klingon Bat'leth. So you can either draw the Bat'leth by hand, or I do have a free template in my patterns vault. You just put the pieces together A, B, C, and then tape them together and cut it out. So you end up with half a pattern, so trace that, and then flip it over. And you'll just trace the rest of it, so that you end up with a full Bat'leth. So you're just traced out onto the cardboard. Then you can either take a nice strong pair of scissors, or I'm going to use a utility knife. You just want to cut out along all the lines you drew. And so I ended up cutting 2 of them to give it extra stability. It makes the blade a little thicker, but it does make it stronger as well. And so then on the side, to cover up the corrugated part of the cardboard, just put a little bit of hot glue, and then put a piece of paper over the hot glue on the side. And you just want to keep going all the way around the outside. And I also did inside of the handholds as well. And then you just want to cut that off so that it's flat with the sides of the cardboard all the way around. And then you want to give it 3 coats of Elmer's glue, or some kind of white school glue. You want to do 3 coats of that, letting each coat dry in between. Once the final coat is dry, give it a coating of metallic silver paint. And then you want to take some fabric that looks like leather. I'm using some alova left over from my Daenerys costume. And then you just want to cut some strips, about 2.5 or an inch and a half wide, somewhere in there. Then cut 2 small pieces of cardboard. Stick one on the front and back right above the handhold. And then just take your strip of fake leather and wrap that through the handhold all the way around it, covering up that piece of cardboard. And the cardboard just gives it a little more dimension, makes it a little thicker so it's not so flat. Makes it easier to hold on to. So then once you've got it wrapped all the way around, just take a little bit of glue, run it along the edge of your piece of fabric, and then just glue that in place so it stays secure. This is then you do that to all 3 of the handholds, wrapping your fabric around it and gluing it in place. A Klingon warrior fears no foe. Ah! Troubles!